English name? Ashoke or Ashoke? Okay. This is traditional wear anyway. Traditional wear, right? Ashoke. The real name is Ashoke. Yes. Tell us the significance of Ashoke.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adedeji Oluwatobiloba. I'm the creative director of Team of Africa. And one of the reasons why I decided to specialize in actual film is because I really want everyone in Africa, not just Nigeria, to promote the heritage of Nigeria. Because a whole lot of people now, they don't really patronize actual film because they feel it's just outfits you wear for occasions, you know. But right now, actual is beyond all of that because you can actually wear it as your casual wear. You can do anything basically with actual fit. So I am actually doing this so that to let people know that you can do a whole lot with actual fit. So that's why you can make joggers. I have designed with joggers, face cap, different designs, you know, treasures, stuff that you don't even think is possible for you to make with actual fit. So, and we also have beautiful and lovely designs for caps as well. We have loading caps for design. We have loading wears, both female and male. We also make for male and for children as well. So, please, I would encourage everybody to patronize our own brand. Aside that, you should also patronize actual food. You know, a whole lot of people, even foreigners, they now wear it as their own casual outfit. And it's so unfortunate that we Nigerians don't even take to wear the face. So it's really going to make sense if you're going out and you have to touch to actual food, you know, your outfit. If it's not sneakers, you can have it as sneakers, you can have it as your cap, you can have it as your top, your short, stuff like that. So that's it. Thank you very much.
I think you told me that tomorrow we are going to have a lecture on Ashoke, right? Oh, that's good. You sold this yourself or you have some people working for you?
Yes, we made, I actually made all of this myself.
Wow. So for how long is Team of Africa? How old is he?
South Africa basically for now to be sincere, South Africa is just 3 years. 3 years.
Yes, awards for
Yes, but right now we didn't come with that, but we also have this
joggers
cargo.
Ashoke.
Yes,
Give
we
her
have this
to
cargo pants.
let's see. Just open one. Let's display to the media. Let's see. Wow.
So this is a cargo pants.
Wow. This is awesome.
And hello. And most of this fabric.
This is unisex or what?
Yes, this is unisex. And it also has different pants, you know. Sometimes you can just match it. And then you just put on t-shirts, you know. Just for you to look
Wow.
And one thing about this is when you go out, you just stand out because not you can go out. You know, on a normal day you can go out and you see different people, you guys wearing the same outfits. But this is something that makes you stand out. You create what you want for yourself. So I'll advise everybody is just try and patronize actual markets. You know. Thank you.
Okay. As you can see, I want to check. I've noticed everyone to just have a look. This one is just
Okay, so these are kiekie, on female. This is bele and kiekie. This is abeshe. We call it abeshe. You know, it's not just. We call it abeshe. Okay, the difference between abeshe and sometimes the same market actual because this is mostly made in Spain, you know, which is the origin of actual film. Why most of these market what we call actual? Yes, the same is the origin of actual film. That's where actual film started from. And then after that, some what we call cultures and tribes decided to, you know, go into what we call actual film as well. Just like like aromas and stuff like that. And for things, they have their own code. So when you see it, no, these are the Kogi people, which is white and black. So we have Sonyo, we have Balawi, we have those two for actual.
So Since you are still exploring it tomorrow, you know,
Yes, why this is context, and this is also we just people just decide to give it name. Yes, yes, and that's why yes. Okay, so the difference between the China Ashobi and our own Ashobi is our own Ashobi is body friendly. It doesn't cringe. I've seen someone say, "Oh, I don't like Ashobi because it's always ash on the body." This is not machine trade, it is hand woven. And that's why hand woven is always expensive and it has durability on it. So
all right. So we'll see your presentation tomorrow.
so I talked about this 3 days ago, and I said to myself, I'm going to make a design, a unique design, and that was how I came up with the sequence on actual video. So I also told this young man to help me do this. He actually did the beading itself. He did all of it. Yes, he did. He did the beading.
Sorry, I have to enter.
Part of creativity, someone made this, and anywhere you put it on, people will look at you. You be in search of all eyes. So, well done, team up. So tomorrow is your day. Today is also your day. But you have the floor tomorrow to exhibit your product and same time to talk about actual elements. Okay? Well done. Yes. Why do you want to appreciate?
No, when it be tight, okay, too much. Too much.
This particular size, this design is cool.
This one big pattern. These are big pattern.
It's big, it's big.
Nice size.
What's the size? Hello, you want to say something about this African, products?
No, not like
No. There's a need for you to have your culture. There's a need for you to have your culture. It's a cultural product, okay? You want to say something? Then 33 for us at gmail.com.